In this video, I want to concentrate talking to you about the listening section. Now again, some of the students tell me the accent. Yes, because we are not used to English programs. Now many tell me, I watch a lot of movies, and I tell them movies is something which is not going to help you, because if you realize movies are 99% American, you have a lot of slang over there. I tell them and they get shocked. I tell them, do you hear the English news? English as in BBC News. And I always tell them, go to old episodes of a chat show on BBC, which I myself watched and I've been watching it for many years now. It's called BBC Hard Talk. You can get a lot of episodes on the internet. Now, this is a conversation between two people. One would be a British, an anchor, and one could be a person talking in English, but who could be from any part of the world. Because IELTS does not specify that it is going to be only British native speakers talking in the IELTS recordings. It could be Australians, it could be New Zealanders, could be also Canadians. As a matter of fact, even people from India would be in the video. But more of it, the higher percentage would be people from the United Kingdoms. Listen to the news, listen to Hard Talk, listen to some of the Australian television programs, get used to it. You have so many apps that you can download on your phone to specify what are the words, alphabets being stressed on. It's a good idea, it will help you. You don't have to listen continuously, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you're traveling in a bus. Plug in your earphones, listen to it, it's going to help you. Listening again is very simple, timing is fantastic. It doesn't stress you out at all. It's a 1 hour, but actually is the recordings for 1 hour? No. 30 minutes, 35 minutes maximum. You have 4 sections, again 40 questions. Very comfortable where timing is concerned, because your instructions are given first in section 1. Then over that you are given around 30 seconds to check questions 1 to 10. And what happens at the end of section 1? They ask you to check your answers. I tell students, don't check your answers. Take that 30 seconds and add it with section 2 starting 30 seconds, 1 minute. Wonderful time to look at questions 11 to 20 in detail. We now need to make our listening easier. How are we going to do it? Predictions. Section 1 and 2, I'm quite sure most of you all will agree with me, is you are looking at a question, it's given name and it's blank. You know it's a person's name. If it is difficult, it's going to be spelled out. So is that actually difficult? No. Maybe some of the alphabets is not the way you pronounce it. So that's where your listening skill again comes in. If you're talking about a pound sign, you know it's going to be a number. And guys, one thing is always read the question instructions, be it you're reading or be it you're listening. They tell you, you have a choice, 1 word, 2 words, or with numbers or without numbers. Read that. They could be, an answer could be repeated. Look at the NB, note, PS, note. Read the question, understand. If they are talking about John, you have to pay attention. What is John going to be saying? They could be Jill, they could be Jane even talking, but we are only going to concentrate on John speaking. Multiple choices, make it easy. There are going to be the choices that are going to be spoken. Most students tell me, all the choices were spoken. I said, absolutely. Have you paid attention to the question? No. If you are going for a vacation, it simply tells you the price, 5,000 rupees per night, includes your next morning's breakfast and a visit to the nearby shopping mall. That's all. Using of the swimming pool, visiting the zoo is extra charges. So it is very clearly spoken, but we in a hurry don't read the question instructions and then we get lost in it. So listening, I would say, predict. Maybe if your luck is good, you would get the same word that you thought about, but most of the times you will have synonyms. Now coming to section 3 and 4, be prepared for a lot of paraphrasing. Whatever is being spoken is not going to be written word for word. There could be something missing, there could be something extra. So it's basically paraphrasing and synonyms. And the fun part is when IELTS starts putting in distractors in a conversation. And this will happen when there are 2 or more people talking. So don't worry about people distracting you on a conversation. Concentrate on who the question is talking about. And you should be able to again score a perfect 9 in your listening.